Hello! So today we're going to make some Doggy bug spray. I'm going to leave the link down below to where I found this recipe. Now I am doubling it. Now I need to make sure I have a good bug spray that I can spray on her that is going to be safe for her. So please do your research and make sure you know what oils are safe to use on your pets. And I should say dogs, because they really aren't safe to use on cats because cats clean themselves. So I have 4 ounces of coconut oil in here. This is fracted coconut oil, so it permanently stays liquid. And I have 4 ounces of water. To that, I am going to add 42 drops of eucalyptus. So let's get this party going. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42. Okay. And to that, I am going to add 6 drops of lavender. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that is it. Now it does state to use coconut oil and witch hazel. I don't have witch hazel, and so I'm just going to use water instead. But make sure to use the carrier oil so that way it can spread throughout their body and it will do them some good. So I'm just going to give this a really good shake, and I'm actually going to store it in this just for right now because I don't have the spray bottle. I will be getting it very soon. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will be talking to you again pretty soon. Bye.